this session we are going to discuss about the XML path. XML path construct is used to navigate through XML document. This XPath is used by XSLT. The original document is converted into node tree and then node tree traversed by XPath, and each and every nodes available in the node tree. Template rules are defined by XSLT, and then while traversing, the template rules are applied to those nodes available in the document, and then we are getting the equivalent or transformed HTML document. Those things we are going to discuss, and then what are the syntax, operators, expressions available in XPath. The transformation language already we have discussed XSLT and CSS. Among those two, XSLT is very frequently used in the XML. So XSLT uses XML path syntax to access the input document elements. I mean, in the XML document, a lot of elements are available. Those elements are accessed and referred by XPath syntax. It is a recursive structure. XPath follows recursive structure to access and refer the input document. In the XML document, there are several elements are available. Root element, in each and every level several other elements also available, and leaf nodes available. So several elements present in the XML document. Those XML document structure located by the XPath syntax, and then we are navigating through node tree. We are navigating through the node tree. Obviously that node tree is constructed from the document structure. Node tree is constructed from the document structure. By using the node tree, we can navigate by using location path, I mean XPath location syntax. By using location path, we are traveling through node tree, and each and every element is accessed and traversed. And then location, which is nothing but, or location path is nothing but specific syntax. Already I told that XPath includes lot of operators and expressions. Those expressions available in the location path. By evaluating the operators and expressions, we are finding the specific node, and then we are reaching that node and getting the value available in that node and transform it. The basic structures that location path allows you to access. Already I told that through location path only we are able to access the node tree. Obviously the node tree is constructed from the structures. How to do that? What all the nodes are available in the node tree? Those things we are going to discuss in this slide. First one, root node. The root element available in the XML document or input document is referred by root node, are represented by the root node. Root element is represented by the root node, and all other elements, right? All other elements in XML document considered as a element node, considered as a element, as an element nodes. So the individual elements available in the XML document represented by element node. When you take a particular element, for example CD or disk, what is the name of the disk? What is the size of the disk? That may be available as an attribute, let us assume. Those attributes are represented by using attribute nodes. And the text content. We know that in each and every XML element, if necessary, we are able to add text contents. The text contents will be represented by using text nodes. And next one, comment node. As like the other languages, in XML also, we are able to include comment statements. That comment statements used as a help or it explains the logic behind or what is done in that particular code, particular part of the code, what is done, that has been explained by the comments. So XML document is also includes comments. If any such comments are available in the XML document, then those will be represented as comment nodes. And then processing instruction node. If you want, as like a comment node, if you want, then you can include the processing instructions. That is also we have discussed already, that those processing instructions can be included in XML document, that will be represented by using processing instruction nodes. That processing instruction includes the name of the instruction and value available for that instruction, and then namespace nodes. In XSLT style sheet, we are able to declare namespace. That namespace declaration also we have discussed in the respective session. Namespace, which is nothing but is a placeholder that groups logically related content. If you are specifying any namespace in your XSLT style sheet, then those will be represented by using namespace nodes. And then we are going to see XPATH. Here we know that in XSLT document, each and every XML element is transformed into the specific type of document by using template rules. So that from the XML document, node structure has been created, called as node tree. Already we have discussed several node type in the previous slides. Comment node, namespace node, element node, root node. Likewise, several nodes are available in the node type. That node type are part of the match and select expression. Apply template, select element. That is also we have discussed, right? Apply template, select element, match template. So all those XSLT elements, the node types working as a part of those expressions, and then based on the node type only, the template rules are created. This is also already I told that whenever we are writing the template rules, what all the nodes are available in the structure, based on that we are creating the template rules. Later on we are going to apply the template rules to the respective match and select expression. Based on match and select expression, we are going to apply these template rules into the XSLT elements or node type. And then transformation is also applied to the node types. And then whenever we are applying the transformation rule, automatically it processes the template rule, starts from the root node, and then all other elements of the XML document applied with the equivalent template rule which is available in the XSLT document, which is referred to by the location path. In location path we are specifying the root node and which node we want to traverse and which other nodes are necessary for displaying or transforming certain informations that has been available in the location path. And the next one, understanding the location path. As I said previously, recursion is a powerful tool because 100 elements are available, means we are not possible to write all 100 elements at once. By using recursive syntax, recursive structure, we are locating the specific element of the document. So recursion is used to locate, it is a powerful tool, is to locate various structures according to their context in the document. So based on the context, the node type, based on the context and node type, the node tree is created based on the input document. Generally, when we are traverse the node tree, we will be starting from the root context or root node, and then successive levels of nodes are traversed until all structures are visited. This is also purely based on the requirements. Not for all the time we are visiting all nodes. Slash representing the root node. Root node is represented by using slash notation. Whenever you are seeing slash notation in the location path, that represents the root node. Each expression follows. Obviously, we know that the expression includes syntax. In other languages, right? Likewise, in XPATH, each expression following the specific syntax which has been specified or expressed by the XPATH language, and then various operators are utilized. As I said previously, operators are obviously included in the syntax. So by using various operators, location path identifies or locates the specific type of nodes, and then the location path may be context specific or context free. Context specific or context free. What is meant by context specific location path? It means based on some context, root level, next level, based on some context, the nodes are evaluated. Nodes are evaluated based on its location. Based on its location in the document, the template rules are defined, and matching rule is also defined. That matching rules and template rules are applied to the document element based on its location relative to its location. That is called as context specific location path. And context free location path, we are not considering the specific context. Directly, right? Directly we are reaching that particular node. In such a way we are writing the location path. That's why it is called as absolute location, right? Absolute location. Context specific location path takes relative path. Relative path means where you are currently in which particular element you are currently in. Based on that, based on your current location in the node tree, the location path specifies the destination reach. In context free, absolute location slash first one, item 1 slash item 2 slash item 3 and so on. How to reach the specific node in the node tree, everything specified in that context free location paths. So an example is given here. An example is given here. Inventory is a root level node, root node, where we can find several items. In each and every item, we are able to locate item type, description, item type, description. These two informations are available in item element. So inventory root element, item is the other elements available in the XML document. We are taking this structure, inventory root node, and several items are available in that. We are taking that structure and we are going to write the template rules and XML document in the next slide. See here, I am going to write the XML document. I am going to write the XML document as usual. Question XML version equal to version equal to 1.0, version equal to 1.0, and close the XML document. First I'll be writing the XML document. Here, as I said previously, inventory will be the root element. So inventory will be the root element, and within that we can have item element, right? We can have item element. It has a property called as tracking number. Tracking number equal to You can specify some number 1, 2, 3, 4, let us say, and then manufacturer not listed, right? Manufacturer not listed, not listed, and close the tag. Within this item, as I said previously, item type and descriptions are available. Item type, item underscore type, item type, and then description. In item type, what we need to write? Some specification, right? What is the item we are going to use in this inventory, right? Let us say floppy disk, right? And close the item type, slash item underscore type. And then in description, what is the rate? Let us say we can specify rate equal to some 100, comma, and other specification. If you want, you can include that specification and slash description, right, slash description, and then close this, close the item. And then next element, next item we are going to include item tracking number equal to 5678, tracking number, and manufacturer equal to same here what we are using, manufacturer, same attributes we need to use here, manufacturer, right, same attribute, equal to not listed, okay. And then similarly item type, second item type, hard disk, slash item type, slash item type, and then close this item type, and then description, let us say rate equal to 4,000 rupees, and close this. If you want, you can include other description also, slash description, and close the item, and close the inventory, and then we are going to write the template rule for this XML document. What is first? First we need to write XSL :template match. That's why I said match and select expression. Template XSL :template match equal to, obviously we need to start with the root element, right? And then I am going to transform my XML document to HTML document, so that I am start with the HTML and then body, right? Starting with HTML body, and then XSL apply template, right? Apply template, where we need to, which element we need to apply this template. Apply templates, apply templates, select equal to which particular element have to be selected, and we need to apply that in inventory slash item. This is also already we have discussed. To close this, select the inventory slash item and then close the body slash body and then slash HTML and then slash XSL colon template. XSL colon template. I am writing the template rule for root element. So root element and then inventory item. After that we need to write the template for match equal to item, right? Match it, because we are going to apply this to item element available in the inventory. So that template match equal to item and then XSL colon apply template. Apply templates. What should be given? Selector. Select equal to what are the elements available in inventory? Item type, item, right? Inventory slash item. First one, item type. Similarly, XSL apply templates, select equal to description. Apply equal to description and close it. So 2 we have specified and slash XSL colon template. XSL colon template. Okay. So we have written item element available in the inventory, and then item type and description we need to specify. Item type and description we need to specify. I'll take next slide. Again, XSL template, XSL colon template, match equal to item type, match equal to item type. In the hierarchical fashion only we are going to item type. We are going to write the element, and then here I want to display the content using H1. I want to display the content using H1. I mean item type floppy disk, hard disk, that should be displayed in header format, and then XSL colon value of select equal to all elements, so that I am specifying dot, select equal to dot and slash H1. Close this, right? And then close the XSL template. This is for item type. And then similarly, description we need to write the template. Match equal to description. One second, I'll rewrite this. Match equal to description. And then close this, and again I want to display the content using H2 and XSL colon value of select equal to dot, all elements, all values, and then see here we don't have any closing tag, so that directly we need to close this, select, and then close this H2 and close the XSL colon template. XSL colon template, close this one. So we are writing the equivalent template for each and every element available in the document. Item element available, in item element item type and description available, so we are writing those things. And then how the HTML file looks like, right? How the result looks like. Up to this, next result. When you are executing this in any XSLT browser or XSLT tool editor, we are getting the following output: HTML, transformed document, body, and then H1. H1 we are getting floppy disk or other elements, right? Likewise /H1. If you want to include any paragraph, that is also be included, right? See H2. According to our description, according to our template rule, H2 available for displaying the description. Description, what we are having, rate equal to 100 /H2, right? And then next element H1, hard disk, and then /H1, and then H2, rate equal to 4000. I couldn't remember the rate what we have specified in this previous slide. So H2, and then closing tag of body /body, and then /HTML. This is the transformed document. After that, you are able to execute this one into the browser. So remaining topics we will see in the next session. Thanks for listening. Thank you.